Home Remedies presents How to get rid of mice and rats with Vicks VapoRub. Vicks VapoRub, a commonly used cold remedy, suppresses the natural immune defenses of mice, making them more susceptible to bacterial pneumonia and other lung infections. In today's video, you will learn how to make this natural rodent pesticide. Let's see how. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Ingredients for the mice and rat Vicks mixture: 2 cookies, plain biscuit style, crushed into a powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 heaping teaspoon of Vicks VapoRub. Directions: you will begin by crushing your 2 cookies. Then adding your baking powder and Vicks VapoRub into a bowl. Mix the ingredients thoroughly. Then you will make individual bait balls. Place these around your house, around places where you think they are entering your home from. This will soon take care of the rodent problem in your home and garden, as when they ingest the bait balls, they will scurry off and die. This is a super cheap way of dealing with your mice issue and will also work on other rodents like rats as well. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.